It's a 2018 Buick Encore. Flexibility has never been more perfectly sized than with this stylish, nimble, and luxurious Encore. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, manual telescoping steering column, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, aluminum wheels, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and automatic transmission. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds-View, Minnesota.